So I just did my QRP Quickie of the day, and check this out, man. Check out the DX map. Really? What's up with that? Maybe it really is the end times. I just wanted to explain that oftentimes I'll hear a DXer calling CQ or working somebody, then disappearing for just a second, and that's what happened today. He made a couple contacts, then he disappeared. Nobody else was calling him, and I was doing something, so I just sat there for a minute, about 1 minute. And then you'll hear what I did then. 73. That was my daily quickie, my QRP quickie for, my God, yes, I'm retired. Don't forget that, man. I forget my kids' names, their birthdays. Thank God I don't have a wife. And today is Sunday, the 22nd of March. And that was my QRP quickie of the day. That was Kilo Papa 4 Tango Foxtrot in Puerto Rico. That was only a 1,992 mile contact using the Michigan cacti. So, anyway, 73.